But it's a paper!
Yeah, it's paper money.
Paper money? And people accept these pieces of a paper?
Yeah.
As if they were coins of pure gold?
Pay me your Silk Road tolls. I own China. Us nomads run the globe's largest land empires, prospering though you tread the steps we took. Grandpa Genghis Khan unified our clans, got our laws organized, chose men by skill, not family ties, trained us in battle groups.
With war declared, riding horses, letting arrows fly. Soon your kingdom's terrorized, you'll submit to spare lives. Now our lands tie, east to west we have tight. Rein as trade expands, I love when merchants pass by. 'Cause it's tax time.
Duh. 'Cause it's tax time. Conquering like Grandpa, we've made servants of the Koryo, Slavs and Persians, crushed Baghdad Muslims, convert us, we tolerate your faiths. Finally, I beat the Song Chinese, founded my Yuan dynasty. Confucian serve in my regime, we're first, no test to take.
We'll build a big time, the Grand Canal will link my Kanban at Beijing side, rule there till the Ming rise. 'Cause we have tight, rain as trade expands, I almost took Japan twice, typhoons made us capsize.
Stick to land fights.
Duh.
Stick to land fights.
Duh.
You're never gonna rule Japan. Yeah.
You're good at seagoing trade and cultural exchange. Go to Yangzhou. Need more Europeans like me to lead? They'll be desperately trying to get here once I've told tales when I get home. Just go fact find. Stick to land fights.